आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
In this question, we have to find the coefficient of x raised to power n in the expression 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial and so on up till x raised to power n by n factorial. Right. So, first what we will do, this is the square of the whole expression. So, this can be written as this into this expression into itself 2 times, right? This is the meaning of square. So this is 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial and so on up till x raised to the power n upon n factorial into 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial and so on up till x raised to the power n upon n factorial. Right. What I did, I just opened the square. Right. I have just written the square in the multiplication form or in the product form. Now, let us combine the terms. If I take this one with this term, so this will be the coefficient of x raised to the power n, right? Then, if I take this x term with, here we will have some x raised to the power n minus 1 upon n minus 1 factorial. So, if I take this x term with this, so this will become coefficient of x raised to, the total power of x will be x raised to the power n. Similarly, if I take this term with this, then this will be x raised to the power n term, right? So, what we will do, we will combine the terms like this. Then the coefficient of x raised to the power n will be, this into this will be 1 by n factorial plus this 1 by 1 factorial with 1 by n minus 1 factorial will be 1 upon 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial. This will combine with some x raised to the power n minus 2 upon n minus 2 factorial. So, this will be 1 upon 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial and so on up till this will be, here again this will be 1 by n factorial. Now, if we multiply and divide by n factorial, then what am I doing? I am multiplying and dividing by n factorial in the whole expression. So, this will be n factorial by, since 0 factorial is 1, so I can write 0 factorial here and into n factorial plus this will be n factorial divided by 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial. This will be n factorial divided by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial and so on up till the last term will be n factorial upon n factorial. Now here this is the form. Here we can see that this is my 1 by n factorial and this is NC0, right? This is my NC1 because NCR is in the form, is of the form. This NCR is n factorial, r factorial and n minus r factorial. So, these coefficients can be written as this, right? So, this will be my NC2 and so on up till NCN. And by the binomial theorem, we know that the coefficients of these from NC0 to NCN is nothing but this is my 2 raised to the power n. So, my expression will be equals to 1 by n factorial. This will be 2 raised to the power n, right? This is the formula. By theorem, we have used this because the sum of coefficients in the binomial expansion is given by 2 raised to the power n. So, this is my 2 raised to the power n upon n factorial. So, the coefficient of x raised to the power n is given by 2 raised to the power n upon n factorial, which is the required answer and hence we are done. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।